Hey everyone, Coach Gabby here, and today I am so excited to show you this awesome fat melting, flat belly standing workout. Okay, now I'm gonna go through it with you and then we're gonna do it together. All right, so to begin with, we have a nice relaxing warm-up to kickstart our exercise here. We're gonna put both arms up, all right, up like so. You can put them together if you'd like, personal preference. And we are going to bend to the side. And then the other side. You wanna hold when you get down here a little bit so you can really feel that stretch right here, getting that stomach ready for your workouts, okay? So stretch, hold, up, and then other side. We're gonna do that 10 times, all right? And then next we have a kick crunch. I love these. They're fun, they get your heart rate up a bit, so you're going to stand with your feet firm in the ground and opposite arm to opposite leg, you're going to crunch. Kick and crunch. Kick and crunch. Now, if this is too difficult for you, feel free to modify, okay? We want your safety first. So you could also do knees, knees, knees. So it's up to you. And after that, we have a side crunch. Now, again, with our arms up, we're gonna do same arm with same leg, elbow to knee. So we're going to side and other side. Crunch, crunch, okay? We're gonna do 10 of those as well. After that, we have a sumo squat side crunch, okay? So almost like the same thing, but we're gonna work our legs on this one a bit. So in sumo position, wide stance, we want our feet slightly turned out, toes turned out a bit. So it should be like to the corner of the mat. And we're gonna go in a squat, arms behind your leg, hands behind your head, and we are going to squat to the side. I'm sorry. Crunch to the side. Where are my words today? Obviously not in my head. So side, side, all while maintaining this stance, okay? That's really gonna work your legs, really gonna work your core as well. And then we're gonna finish it with the jump oblique twist. So hands together right in front of you, and we're gonna jump and twist, but you wanna keep your torso, your chest facing forward. You don't wanna move that much. I mean, obviously it may move a little bit just because of the motions, but the goal is to just twist your bottom half. So hands together, and we're going to jump and twist. Back here, jump, twist. So this is supposed to be done actually kind of fast, but I want you to do it at your own pace. So it's supposed to be a continuous movement, like so. Now, if this is too much for you, again, feel free to do one at a time, or you can even just twist your torso. So instead of jumping, if you have bad knees, go ahead and just stay here and twist your torso. All right? Same effect, just complete opposite body part, you know? So that is our standing belly workout. Now let's do it together. All right, so first we have our overhead stretch. Super nice. Big inhale as your arms come up. So exhale, and we're gonna start bend. Pause, feel the stretch, come up, other side. You know, don't go too far. If you feel pain, don't hold back a little bit. You don't want to feel pain. So just go as far as it's comfortable, but you still do want to feel something. So a little stretch. Should feel good. All right, we have 3 more on each side. Very good. 2 more each side. Also engage your core, suck in that stomach. I know it may be a little bit difficult when you're on the side, but it is possible, so give it a try. Last one on each side. Left, last one. Good. And down. Awesome. So now we're going to our kick crunch. Remember, if you don't want to kick, tap to your knee. So 10, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Engage your core. Straight back. 3, 2, 1. All done. Now we have our side crunch, all right? So arms up, elbow to knee, okay? Let's do it. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engage that core. 7, 8. Squeeze your legs as well. And done. Great job. Now we have our sumo squat side crunch. Let's get those thighs a burning. So down in sumo position, hands behind your back. 10. Let's kick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to keep your chest square forward. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now let's finish strong with those jump obliques. Remember, you don't have to jump. Modify to your liking, okay? Let's do it. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, everyone. That was your fat burning, flat belly, awesome standing workout, okay? Hope you like it. Check out our channel, subscribe for more workouts and recipes.